or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today's video is very different. I'm going to show you how to clean your dishwasher to extend the lifespan. Come with me and let's clean together. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Come with me and let's clean our dishwasher together. Go ahead and take this tray out. Take it out. And also this one, really need to clean them good. Anything that is removable, you can just go ahead and remove them. We are using our dishwashing liquid soap and our cleaning vinegar for this one. So I'll go ahead and pour some vinegar in the sink. Now add a little bit of liquid soap. It's okay. Just go ahead and add a little bit of water to it. Dishwasher is very important, so bad will be cleaning or chance any plates and glasses. It's also important to clean the machine itself. For hygienic reason, it's good, and it also maintains your machine. My machine be 10 years it is a saying means the machines you need boy but sanama when the animals on can't to work as you really need to clean your machine. Very important. If you quite a fat head, a woo. It's in a wooden palace and a sonnet, the female cornerstone, a book. That is important. So the girl bed machine, yeah, every machine is really different, so you really have to see the type that you have. But these parts are always removable. You can always remove this part and clean them. Cleaning your dishwasher is very important. Let's see how you clean. Really clean. You should this part also. Just have a look. Sometimes it's even more, and you can do this process normally. It says once a month, but normally I do it 3 times a year. That's in every 3 months. I'm here then cleaning the machine, because need also depending how I treat the machines and crown you on my crown or muted you no aduane no fini ya no de aba ba hihye no so eboa ma the machine ye fin tentem nti ni na depend kwa for the machine fa so. Just have a look how clean it is. So just look, I'm feeling now everything really clean. Just put this aside and rinse this one. Guys, just have a look. When you compare the difference between when it came out from the machine and when it's really clean. Put it aside. And then go ahead and clean this one. Just have a look. So it's really clean. Oh, Fimbia, come on. The show shall be on my beam. Your mom so crown showering at their own. No, these are the reason why. So just go ahead. Oh, no, day. It's very fast support because in this them support the trees are empty, you know, wet duking, wet a cloth now the idea. What they eat if ya a war a home I there few and sacra no best at a clean. Say if you are a woman, they be a few. This part is very small. Until you, with one finger, no, just with the cloth, not either, you just clean this part of the shower. Say you can get all the dirt out. You feel very down to make our machine clean. Now we are going to use our machine cleaner for the cleaning of the machine. We are not done yet, but you can see it's already almost even clean. So we'll just go ahead and put this one. You do some you cover it. After putting your machine cleaner in the machine, this is what I always do. I'll just go ahead and put vinegar in a bowl and add some soda to it. This is for maximum cleaning. It makes your machine really thorough. for hygienic also reason, it's very also important. So I always do this alongside with the machine cleaning products. So now I'll just go ahead. So I'll just go ahead and put it here inside, then close it. And the program is also the highest program, so I'm going to do it in intensive. It depends on every machine. This one is Siemens, so with Siemens you are going to do intensive, but with other machine you can do it Echo or whatever program. The highest has to be the highest program, so we are going to do it intensive. And I'll just press on the intensive program. Now start. Then we just close it. Let's check on our machine. Wow. Just have a look, guys. Just have a look. Just have a look. The machine is so clean and sparkling, and the smell in it. So if you do this once in 2 months or 3 months, it's really going to prolong the lifespan of your dishwasher, and it's also going to wash very good. That's also one point. And washing my with glasses and really sparkling. I'll go ahead and remove the plate with water. This is the place that I did there. It's time to fill our dishwasher with the salt, dishwasher salt. So I'll go ahead and take this out, and I'll open this one. And this is the part where you have to put the salt. For the salt, you can always check it. It's not really, you have to wait whenever you are cleaning your dishwasher before you fill it. For the salt, you can check it once in a week or 2 weeks to see. When it's low, you just add more. This is the type of salt I have. There are so many types in the market. You just go ahead and fill it. There's always water in it, so when you fill it and it's full to the funnel, you just remove the funnel and you press the salt down like this, and then you still refill it. So you can see there's more water out, there's more space. You can see it's now full. So I'll go ahead and cover it up. It's okay. Go ahead and also fill the liquid for the shining, and this is the type that I have. It's also the same. You can always check it and fill it. You don't have to wait till the time you clean your machine. This one is full because I filled it, I think, a week ago, so it's still, there's more still in, so it's okay. Just cover it up and your machine is clean. I'll go ahead and put the basket back. Thank you so much for coming with me to clean our dishwasher. But if you're new to this channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. May the good Lord richly bless you all. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. This is for you. Kiss. Bye bye.